back. So in the last video we discussed using the scale to determine your success and why that's not the best idea. I referenced a few times training for performance. Training for performance is training for the ability to do a task better tomorrow than you can today. So what does that mean? If you can lift 5 pounds, you can now lift 10 pounds. If you run 10 miles a day, you run 20 miles a day. I'm exaggerating, but it kind of gives you an idea as to what training for performance is. The big thing that happens when we train for performance is we're constantly asking our body to burn more calories per workout. And at this point, you're like, well, you said that's not important to burn all the calories. No, it's not important to burn all the calories, but asking your body to do more work every workout is very important. Once that happens, you undergo a physiological change that will cause your body to burn more calories throughout the day when you're at rest, as well as when you're working out. Because when we train just for time or for calories, eventually your body becomes efficient. Now, what does that mean? Well, look around you. Maybe you're at the gym watching this right now. There's somebody on a treadmill who's running and their face is completely lacking any strain and they're basically just cruising through the workout. That's efficiency in movement and efficiency in modality. Now, you'll see somebody who's lifting 20, 30, 40 pounds heavier than you. There's no strain. That's efficiency in the movement, efficiency in the lift. And that's what we want to see everyone train towards. But there is an upper limit to how much strength you can gain or how much endurance you can gain. But over time, if you're constantly trying to improve those things, there will never be a point where your body becomes efficient enough, your calories go down. What does that really translate to? If you go out today and you run a mile, let's just say it takes you 10 minutes to run that mile, and then you go out tomorrow and you run that same mile in 10 minutes, and then you go out 2 weeks from now and run that same mile at that same intensity, the amount of calories that you burn is lower. Your body becomes more efficient. So if you're one of those people who gets on the stair climber or on the treadmill and you set it to a 3 mile an hour pace, or you set it to a 15 step per minute pace, or whatever it is, and you're always on there for 45 minutes, you will eventually be burning less calories. It becomes easier because your body becomes better at doing it. It's efficiency. When you train for performance, you take the efficiency out of it. You will always have an improvement in movement, you'll have an improvement in your stride, you'll have an improvement in your exercise efficiency. But since you're always striving to be stronger or faster, performance, you will see a change in your composition continually. So what does this mean? Well, it means that person that's on the treadmill, and this may apply to you, and has been doing half-hour cardio every single day, started seeing some success in the beginning, and now you don't see any changes. Well, it's because your body's adapted to the workload that you're giving it. So you have to give it something different. Maybe that means you go faster in that 30 minutes. Maybe that means you go farther in that 30 minutes. But you always have to be striving to achieve something every workout. Ideally, you're going to pick some sort of performance metric that fits your lifestyle, not calories. At no point in time are you looking at a performance metric that says, well, I need to burn 500 calories. No, I need to run farther. I need to run faster. I need to lift heavier. Now, from a programming standpoint, there's a lot of things that go into it, but we're not here to talk about programming. We're here to talk about performing. So for right now, focus on your performance. Pick a task that you want to get better at and work towards it. If you're always working towards getting better at a set task, you will see a composition change and you will actually increase your metabolic flexibility faster.